Hi everybody, Debra Dickinson here, Bandit there. I am so excited to tell you about a mini meetup I have coming next week, a week from today on Tuesday, February 14th. Stay tuned. Okay, I am holding my mini meetup on February 14th, Valentine's Day, because I want to show my wonderful viewers some love. Thank you guys, and I hope if you're in the area you can join me. It will be from 12 to 3 on February 14th at Outback Pizza, and I'm going to have some footage at the end of this so that you can see directions and see. I'm going to drive you there and show you the place, and we're just going to have a blast. The owners, Liz and Phil, are being so kind. They are letting us have the entire place, and they're even going to bring in wait staff to help us out with ordering our pizza and having a good time together. So come on out February 14th if you're in the Quartzsite, Arizona area, and let's spend some time together. Okay everybody, I'll see you down the road. Keep on keeping on. Okay, so you turn on Cemetery Road. And then you can park on the left. There's usually lots of parking. You just have to go very slow because there's always people coming in and out. And when you park, it's up there on the right. Okay, so when you're walking up for my mini meetup, you will just come straight in here and we will all meet in there, and they are going to accommodate us to take your orders in there. But if you come here other than the day of my meetup, you would go next door here to order your pizza, and then you can come over there and sit. But for my mini meetup, come straight to the Outback Pizza and Bar, and we will see you there. This is what it looks like inside, and they have outdoor seating and they have indoor seating, but it's not open yet. There is also a front door where you can enter off the streets, but they don't have that open yet because we're here early. But sometimes this is open and it faces Main Street. In the outside area, they also have a small stage and often have live music. They opened the door, and this is what it looks like inside. We will have access to both the outside area and the inside area for my mini meetup. See you on February 14th. You never know who you're going to see here. Check this out. Adventure Van Man, what the heck you doing?
Pizza for my girlfriend.
Bye, Brian. Good to see you.
Bye.
It kind of helps us work together.